How can I get Bash to perform tab completion for my aliases? I have a bunch of Bash completion scripts set up, mostly using Bash it and some manually set up. I also have a bunch of aliases set up for common tasks like co4, git checkout. Right now I can type git checkout dtab and develop is completed for me, but when I type code dtab it does not complete. I'm assuming this is because the completion script is completing on Git and it fails to see go. Is there a way to generically / programmatically get all of my completion scripts to work with my aliases? Not being able to complete when using the alias kind of defeats the purpose of the alias.
The following code, adapted from this Stack Overflow answer and this Ubuntu forums discussion thread, will add completions for all your defined aliases. For simple, command only, no arguments, aliases, it will assign the original completion function to the alias. For aliases with arguments, it creates a wrapper function that inserts the extra arguments into the original completion function. Unlike the scripts it has evolved from, the function respects quotes both for the alias command and its arguments, but the former have to be matched by the completion command, and cannot be nested, and it should reliably filter out aliases to command lists and pipes, which are skipped, as it is impossible to find out what to complete in them without recreating the complete shell command line parsing logic. Usage. Either save the code as a shell script file and source that in, or copy the function wholesale into .bash, or your pertinent .file. The important thing is to call the function after both bash completion and alias definitions have been set up. The code above calls the function right after its definition, in a source and forget spirit, but you can move the call anywhere downstream if that suits you better. If you don't want the function in your environment after it exits, you can add unset f alias _ completion after calling it. Notes. If you are using bash 4.1 or above and use dynamically loaded completions, the script will attempt to load completions for all of your aliased commands so that it can build the wrapper functions for your aliases.
This is the manual way, for those that are looking for this. First, look up the original completion command. Example. Now add these to your startup script, for example /.bash. Source, this URL.
Is there a way to generically / programmatically get all of my completion scripts to work with my aliases? Yes, here is the complete alias project which solves your problem exactly. It provides generic and programmatic alias completion without using a val.
The answer given previously by Kapishki works like a charm on Debian 10 only if you delete the alias underscore completion at the end. Here is the correct snippet to paste in your ~/.bash.
This is interesting.